And you don't need to have that feeling that I'm not surrendering enough, or I'm not dedicated enough, I'm not devoted enough, I don't have enough devotion. And that is a kind of a self-doubt. Beyond that barrier of not having dedication or surrender, also I can just penetrate and awaken your bioenergy. But as per the enlightened ethics, I need your permission. It's like a saying yes to me. So now I'll clearly ask whoever wants to give yes to me, just raise both your hands. I'll accept this as, I accepted this as yes. Tatast. I accepted this as your yes. So whenever I am be giving the instruction, you will see here I will be using more V, because in bioenergy both are one and the same. I will not be using much you. I will not be using the word like a, let your Kundalini awaken. You will see me using the word let our Kundalini be awakened. Let everybody here. Because here, in the Nityananda process, there is no you and me, because you, me both are one and the same. So when I utter that word, us, we, our, all that, I give the meaning of the people who raise the hands now and me. That's the meaning. So I take this as the yes. That's all is required as the enlightened ethics. It's a tradition not to enter into the space where the person is not allowing. It's a ethics of an enlightened being. Anyhow, now that that is cleared, you can be relaxed. You can be in peace. That's all, actually, nothing much to tell. During each process I lead you, as I said, for the few for the new participants, I'll make you guys do a simple process and all that, just to make you understand the depth of the work I am doing. So that, see, the problem is sometimes the human mind is so arrogant. If it is directly given, it doesn't believe it is given. No, really. You may be thinking that you already had the power of third eye reading. Now, sometimes people think if it is given very straight, in 1 or 2 days, they think, oh, maybe I already had and I did not check it. And now suddenly when I tried, I think it is working. Now people tend to do that. Just to make you understand that, relax, you are being given. Well, you will be doing some spiritual practices and basic understandings, and I'll also create a strong space for all of you to quickly complete with that initial things, and then establish that strong feeling connection and raise up. My blessings. Actually, sometimes people think all these are very costly. No. Do you know how I got this? No, really. I just want to tell you guys, this is the world's largest Guinness size Rudraksh. How I got this, For the equivalent weight of this Rudraksh rice, from Thailand only I got. It's there are, between Thailand and Indonesia, there are some islands where the tribes, cannibal tribes are living. In those islands only this Rudraksha is growing. And one of our devotee who knows that their language, he related with them and asked them to give some of it. They said, take as much as you can, but with the same weight you have to give rice for us. And because they don't know what it is, so. And this guy went by boat and he did not get into their place. He called somebody with whom he was talking, and he gave one. Oh, it seems I'm getting the message. Many wants to go to restroom. Whoever wants to go, run and come back. I'll sit. I'll wait here then. And get you out of all addictions. If I had to translate and tell you in simple terms, you can become completely healthy and make sure you remain healthy. You can be out of all addictions. You can restructure your shape, like weight loss or weight gain or muscle building. You will see all these possibilities opening up in you. Actually, that is why I am talking on second day. I just already showed you the possibility. How so many people are able to see through the third eye. How many? Can you raise your hand? Just to tell you, it is a science. I am not sitting here and doing some catching mosquitoes in the air. I am catching you in the air. Not mosquito. Usually, all the completion techniques, meditations, kriya, yoga, processes, pranayama, means altered breathing. There are many beautiful things available in Hindu tradition. Physically altering the muscle memories, altering your breathing method, altering the way your memory gets recorded in your muscles. All these are various techniques, methods available in Vedic Hindu tradition, which is usually used for purifying the muscle memory and awakening the possibilities in muscle memory. Vedic Hindu tradition does not require conversion to practice the Hindu tradition, because the whole tradition is from a very intelligent system. It is just from an intelligence. It does not require any conversion. But all of you need to know, whatever I am teaching, I am doing, including your menu, everything is from Vedic scriptures. Maybe for the newcomers, I'll just give a brief few line. See, the Hindu tradition does not have one book or two book. The source book for Hindu tradition is 2 crore, 20 million books. No, really. And I need to tell you, in this body, even I have not seen the whole 20 million, 2 crore books together. Of course, the from cosmic archives I have seen, I have experienced. That is one, but it's a large resource. We call it as 2 classification. Shruti, the truths heard by the great rishis, and Smriti, the same truths remembered by the great rishis as it can be practiced. These are the 2 major classification. Whatever I am doing, the whole thing belongs to the first category. The first category is the most authentic resource. We call it Veda and Agama. Both belongs to the first Shruti category, means the heard. The truths experienced, heard by the great rishis. Mahadeva is the first rishi. If you are new to Hinduism, I just have to introduce the God who is standing in the center. That deity represents Mahadeva. He is the first master. He revealed the Veda and Agama, both. The deity, that side, it's a goddess, Devi. She represents the feminine aspect of Mahadeva. She is the first disciple, and this side, it is my deity, it represents me. So Mahadeva gave the whole science to Devi. From Devi, the next masters, and I am the present available, at least for all of you. So that is why my deity. So whatever we are doing is from Veda and Agamas. Even if you ask me what you ate in the lunch, I can give you the original quotation, the original verse where your lunch is described. To that precision, I celebrate scriptures. Please understand, the word follow is too small, shallow. We celebrate scriptures. You can ask me what I am writing in the palm when I am doing the process. That detail I can give you scriptural reference. To that detail I can give you scriptural reference. The whole thing is a foolproof, time-tested, well-established, but non-available science. Why it is not available now? If you ask me that, I have to tell you the whole sad story. But history is history. In those days, it was unfortunate. People used to think that theirs is the only. It's a political terrorism. Their ideology and lifestyle is the only way of living, and the other lifestyle does not exist. Thanks to IT revolution, which made a world small, and we are able to make people understand there are tons and tons of ways of thinking and living and possibilities, and which really helped us to reclaim our legitimacy. Thanks to all the pioneers of IT revolution. It's a time-tested, foolproof, no side effect established system. Don't worry. The only side effect is health and joy. Nothing else. Health, bliss, joy, powers, experiences. That's only side effect, nothing else.